Hi, Eagles. It's Mrs. Clark here. This week, you are going to be working on a robot glyph. So, you are going to open up the Google Slides that you have. It should be up here on the top right-hand side. Remember, I'm on Teacher View. You're on Student View on Google Classroom. When you open it up, it's going to look like this. There are slides here on the left side. There are 7 slides. The first slide shows you how to use the right click on your mouse to copy and paste the different parts. Or you can use your keyboard. You can use Control C to copy something, Control V to paste. This is what you're going to do to build the robot. You are going to use the body, the head, the face. You can color in it. You can make things larger, smaller, and you're also practicing how to copy and paste. The third slide is the box where you're going to copy and paste your robot pieces together. So slide 4 is the body. So you're going to pick which body you want by selecting it using your left click. Then you can use your right click to copy. Remember, you don't want to cut something because then it's no longer going to be there. So if I copy it, and I'm going to go back to slide 3, go in the box, right click, and paste. You may have to drag it and resize it. Remember, you have these little handles here. And when there's 2 arrows, that means you're making something larger and smaller. When there are 4 arrows, it means you can move it somewhere else. Then you're going to go to, after you have the body, you're going to go to the head and decide. If you like red or orange, you're going to choose from this column. If you like yellow or green, you're going to choose from this column. And if you like blue or purple, you're going to choose from this column. I'm going to choose from this column because I like orange. And then I'm going to right click the piece and copy it. Go back to my slide 3, right click and paste. And I'm going to put the head on my robot. Next, I'm going to go to faces, different parts that I can put on my robot face. If your first name has 6 letters or more, you're choosing from the first column. If your first name has less than 6 letters, then you're choosing from this column. So mine has 7. So I'm going to right click and copy. Go back to slide number 3, right click and paste. And then I'm going to put my face on my robot. Again, you might have to make things larger or smaller to make them proportionate to your robot face. Then you are going to go and you can go back to your robot on slide 3 on the top toolbar. It looks like a select a line, but you have the scribble option. With the scribble option, it allows you to do some scribbling. So maybe you're going to draw some legs on your robot. And then you can go back to scribble again and put another leg on. Back to scribble again. Maybe you want to make some kind of different kinds of arms coming off your robot. So you can be creative on your robot. Another fun part is you can click the pieces and go to the fill bucket on the top, and you can change the color of the inside too as well of your robot. So I can go here and I can change the colors of my robot too. Now, when you're done, you can go to slide 7 and you can type a short story about the robot. Maybe you're going to name your robot. And you're going to type a little bit of information about your robot. When you're done, you're not going to click share. You're going to go back to the Google Classroom page and you're going to click up here on the top right part of your screen. You're going to click turn in when you are done. If you have any questions, please email me and we can set up a time to do a Google Meet. Looking good, feeling good, Eagles.